Hi all. Wanted to do a little update on what I've saw from the RTR. I'm not at the RTR, but you know, some of the guys that are you know, got cameras out there. I guess it's pretty muddy. Been raining for, I don't know, one guy said like 16 hours, and some of the films that I've seen, the videos that I've seen, you know, it looks pretty bad. But the thing about the Arizona desert is it can rain really hard, and then 20 minutes later it's gone. So you know, it doesn't stay. It, you know, either runs off or it gets soaked in the ground pretty quick. So that third wash that they were talking about, yeah, it probably looks a lot worse than it really is. I watched a couple of vehicles go through it, and you know, there's no problem. You know, I mean, you know, if you're foolish, you know, you stop in the middle and gun it and see how much mud you can throw around. Well, yeah, you know, you're going to have problems. You're going to get stuck. So, you know, so the key that out there is just, you know, keep steady pressure on the gas pedal and just go on through. You know, don't try to spin the wheels and show off and all that, and you know, you'll get through just fine. You know, unless it's really running deep, you know, of course you wouldn't want to do that, but it's not doing that out there. So, you know, I'm pretty glad that I didn't go, tell you the truth. You know, for me it would be, you know, sitting out there in my chair, you know, and watching people walk around and you know, just enjoy being outside and, you know, get some sun. And well, there's no sun now, so and there's not many people walking around. It's raining, so you know, unless you got a big canopy on your RV, you're going to be stuck inside. And, you know, unless you like sitting in the rain, getting wet. I don't, but you know, but you know, I guess, you know, there was one guy last night in the live stream. CTAP was saying that they were out there barbecue. They had a big canopy, so you know, they were out there barbecuing and having a good old time. And you know, I don't know, it just, like I said, I'm just glad that I didn't go. And maybe I'll go next year, I don't know. But one of the guys was walking around with a camera, and he was showing, you know, where they hold the seminars, and it was deserted and muddy, and yeah, it's a pretty big mess out there right now. So, you know, I guess it turned out to be a big mess this year. So, you know, if it doesn't quit raining here pretty soon, people are going to start leaving, I think. So, I mean, that's just my opinion. I wouldn't want to stay out there like that. So I'll go find someplace else. But it looks like the rain's headed this way. I'm not looking forward to that. So, you know, there's not a lot of mud around here. There's lots of paved roads and that, but still, you know, I don't want to be stuck in my motorhome either. So the weather's been kind of up and down the last month and a half or so. You know, for about 2-3 weeks straight, it was in the mid-teens at night and warming up to around 40-45 in the daytime. But the last couple of days it's been up around 55 or so, and then the real low 40s at night. You know, but it looks like this time next week though it's going to start getting cold again. So you know, it's a little unusual for this area at this time of year. It's usually not like that. You know, if it gets cold, it stays cold. It doesn't get warm and then cold and warm and cold, back and forth. We just got, you know, the steady storms coming in, just one after another from the west. And, you know, if California gets it, Arizona's going to get it next. At least we got some warning. But, up there where I go camping up on the rim, it's pretty nasty. That, you know, there's a lot of snow around, and, you know, like you've heard me say before, if you're stuck up there on that road, they're going to be there until they plow it again in the spring. Or, you know, if the snow gets melted, because you're not going to get out. They don't maintain that road at all up there. So it's probably pretty empty right about now. Like I've said before too, you know, 5-6 years ago, I'd be right out there in the middle of it, but not now. I decided I don't want to go out there and stand in waist deep snow and try to do a video. That wouldn't be fun. But like I said, I just wanted to do a little update on the RTR and then what's going on around here, and that getting ready to go. I am getting ready to go camping, though. I'm trying to get the camper ready. I was out there yesterday and trying to do some cleaning up. You know, it's just sitting out there and gets this as dirty and dusty on the inside as it does when I'm out camping. So the mines don't help. They put a lot of stuff in the air. So anyway, I guess that's it. I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.